Hello. So in this question, we need to find the value of these terms when we are given x minus 1 by x is equal to something. Like it is 2 here, but we can get 3, 5, anything we can get here. So we need to find the value of these terms. Note that this is x minus 1 by x. So in this video, I will tell you some formulas that if we have x minus 1 by x is equal to something, then what is the value of x square plus 1 by x square, and for these terms I will tell you the formulas, and on the same time I will tell you how can you derive those formulas. It is very easy to derive those formulas, and we will see how can we learn, what is the trick to learn those formulas. Okay, so it's very simple, because whenever you are getting this question in a competitive exam, so you don't find the time to solve these, so we can use these tricks and we can easily find out the values. Okay, so here if x minus 1 by x is equal to a, then x square plus 1 by x square is equal to a square plus 2. And how did we get that? By squaring both sides. If you will square both sides, you will get x square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and this will be cancelled out like a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so x square plus 1 by x square, and this is cancelled out, and 2 will go the other side, so you will get a square. This is minus 2, sorry, because this is minus, so you will get a square plus 2. Okay, so if we have here, we are given x minus 1 by x is equal to 2, so this is 2 square plus 2, that means 4 plus 2 is 6, so answer is 6. This is how. Now if we will cube both sides, okay, by cubing both sides we will get x cube minus 1 by x cube, not plus, we will get x cube minus 1 by x cube. Okay, so what is the formula? This is a cube, you will get this. Okay, so you can directly find the value 2 cube plus 3 into 2. Answer will be 8 plus 6, 14. Okay, next we have x4 plus 1 by x4, and how will you get that? If you will square both sides to this equation, x square plus 1 by x square equal to 6, then you will get this formula, x4 plus 1 by x square, and this is a4 plus 4a square plus 2. Okay, and a is 4, so you can solve these terms. Okay, you can solve this, whatever you will get, and this is 16 plus 32 plus 2, that means you will get 16 plus 16 plus 16, 32 plus 2, this is 34. Okay, so this is how you can solve these terms. Next you have x5 minus x5. How will we get that? If we multiply these two terms, the power we will get x5 minus 1 by x5. Okay, and we need to use some formulas, we will use those. So for the, what is the formula? This is a raised to power 5 plus 5a cube plus 5a. Okay, and you can solve this by substituting 2, and x6 plus 1 by x6 will be equal to a6 plus 6a4 plus 9a square plus 2. Okay, and now you can substitute 2, and now you notice what is the trick to find out these. If we need to learn these formulas, you just need to notice that what is the short trick to learn this, that if this is square, this is square, this is cube, this is cube, this is 4, so this is 4. Like if you will get whatever power you are finding, you need to take a raised to power that here. Okay, so this, and after that you need to go reduce 2 degrees. Okay, like this is a square, this is a raised to power 0, means after 2, 0, so you are going 2 degrees down. Okay, so the power of a is 2, power of a is 0. Okay, power of a 3, and after that a power a, you are going 2 degrees down. 3 and power of a is 1. 4, 2, 0. Okay, so nothing, that means a raised to power 0. So 4, 2, 0. 5, 3, 1. So you are going 2 degrees down. 6, 4, 2, 0. Okay, so this is how you can learn these formulas, and it is not tough to learn these formulas, and you can easily calculate these values. If you are given x plus 1 by x or x minus 1 by x. For x plus 1 by x, you can refer to my other video in which I explained formulas for x plus 1 by x, and here we have x minus 1 by x. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.